Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or backpack? The Apple AirTag is here to solve that problem and bring you ultimate peace of mind. Today, we're diving into the AirTag 4-pack, a game changer for anyone wanting to track their valuables effortlessly. What makes the AirTag stand out is precision finding, leveraging Ultra Wideband technology to guide you directly to your lost item with incredible accuracy. Setting up these brilliant Bluetooth trackers is a breeze. A simple one-tap connection with your iPhone gets you going in seconds, seamlessly integrating into your Apple ecosystem. And don't worry about everyday mishaps. With IP67 water and dust resistance, your AirTag can handle splashes and dusty adventures without a hitch. Unlike generic trackers, the AirTag uses the vast Find My network, meaning billions of Apple devices anonymously help locate your item, even if it's far away. If you're ready to upgrade your tracking game and experience this innovative solution, check out the link in the description to grab your own AirTag 4-pack on Amazon. For anyone searching for the best electronics of 2025 that offer both innovation and practical utility, the AirTag is a top contender. Seriously, for ultimate peace of mind and effortless item tracking, the Apple AirTag is an absolute must-have.